Sun Raes, welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Twist Assist Supernatural Fragilistic Stress-Free Afrolicious Twisting Cream by Soultanicals. You guys know that I use this when I straighten my hair and I was doing the 2 braids to keep it stretched, and I ended up using this one day to kind of moisturize my hair, and it did the trick. I didn't feel like it was as moisturized as I wanted it to be, but it did the trick. And I said that I wanted to reuse it again for a regular twist out, the way I normally do my twist outs, to see if I feel differently or if it performs any differently. So I did do that. This is not it. This is a wash and go, but I did use this for a twist out. And I will say that my thoughts on it have not changed much. I still didn't feel like I got a lot of moisture from it. I did feel that my hair was soft. I felt like it defined the hair, but it had this coating to it, and it just felt really heavy. It didn't define it like some of my other twisting creams did, but it did define the hair. But because it has this coating to it, when I would try to pull my twist apart, I got a lot of frizz. I got more frizz than what I'm used to with other twisting creams, okay? This product, it smells good. It's thick, but it's not overly thick. It's not gonna fall out, but it definitely, you know, is somewhat creamy too. So I thought that it would be really good just for a twist out. I use this on top of their knot sauce. I used the knot sauce as my leave-in and then topped it with this. Maybe I was heavy-handed with one of those, with both of them. I don't know. I don't think that I was, but I do feel like my hair was dull. It didn't have any shine to it. Sorry about that, guys. It was coated. It felt thick, if you know what I mean. Sometimes when your hair is coated, it just kind of feels heavy and thick, and it doesn't have a whole lot of movement to it. It was just kind of stiff, and so I didn't like that at all. So for me, this is going to be a product that I probably would not repurchase. I probably won't even finish it. So I just didn't like the way it makes my hair feel, and I am hit or miss with Soultanicals. You guys know that, but I wanted to, you know, give one of their twisting creams a try, and I thought this one would be a good one to try. And like I said, for some people it's probably going to be great. For me, not so much. I am going to probably sell the rest of this on my Mercari. It's up to here. So if you guys are interested in this, keep a lookout. I'll be doing a new hair, you know, decluttering my hair products for Mercari, and I'll put this in it. So you might want to just make a note of it if you're interested. That's if you don't mind using, you know, somebody's used product. So there you go. But like I said, it's still pretty full. It's a lot in here, and yeah, I'll get it to you as soon as I can. Anyway, guys, that's it. Just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I did reuse it the way that I normally do, and I wanted to let you know if my thoughts had changed or not. So they have not changed. It's not for me. Anyway, guys, that's it. Let me know how you feel about this product in the comment section below. Maybe I used it with something I shouldn't have. Let us know how you use it, what leave-in you use with it, things of that sort, so we all can learn from you. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.